Are you one of those people who just can't face a big breakfast? I get it. The alarm goes off, and it's a mad dash to get ready. You've got to get dressed, sort the kids out, find your keys, and get out the door. The thought of cooking up a proper meal like eggs or porridge feels like a massive mission. It's so easy to just grab a quick coffee and promise yourself you'll eat something later. But then, by 10 a.m., you're absolutely starving, feeling tired, and reaching for a sugary snack that won't do you any good. It's a cycle that so many of us fall into, and it can leave you feeling sluggish all day long. This morning struggle is real, but skipping breakfast is not the answer, people. Your body has been fasting all night while you were sleeping, and it needs fuel to get going. Think of it like a car. You wouldn't start a long journey with an empty tank of petrol, would you? Your body is exactly the same. It needs good quality fuel to power your brain, your muscles, and your mood. When you skip that first meal, you're setting yourself up for a day of low energy and poor concentration. It's time to break that habit and find a solution that works for you, even on the busiest of mornings. That's where a high-protein smoothie comes in. It's the ultimate breakfast hack for busy people. Honestly, it's a game changer. You can whip one up in just a few minutes, drink it on the go if you have to, and it's packed with all the good stuff your body is crying out for. You get your protein, your vitamins, and your healthy fats all in one delicious glass. It's not about forcing down a massive plate of food when you don't feel like it. It's about giving your body what it needs in a way that is quick, easy, and actually enjoyable. It's breakfast, but smarter. So if you're tired of feeling tired and want to start your day with a proper boost, listen up. We're going to forget about complicated recipes and long cooking times. This is about simple, effective nutrition that fits into your hectic life. A smoothie isn't just a drink. It's a complete meal that will keep you feeling full, focused, and energized all the way through to lunchtime. Say goodbye to that mid-morning slump and hello to feeling like a legend. Let's get into how you can make the perfect morning smoothie. It's easier than you think, I promise you that. Let's talk about why a high-protein smoothie is such a boss move for your morning routine. The key ingredient here is protein. Protein is an absolute powerhouse nutrient. It's essential for building and repairing tissues in your body, from your muscles to your hair. But for breakfast, its biggest superpower is keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Unlike a sugary cereal that gives you a quick burst of energy followed by a massive crash, protein digests slowly. This means it provides a steady release of energy, helping you avoid those pesky hunger pangs that hit you mid-morning. You'll be less likely to snack on junk food. Starting your day with a protein-packed meal also helps to kickstart your metabolism. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts what you eat and drink into energy. Giving it a good dose of protein first thing tells your body to get to work and start burning fuel efficiently. This is brilliant for anyone looking to manage their weight or just feel more energetic throughout the day. A smoothie makes it so easy to get that protein in without having to cook a single thing. It's a simple switch that can make a massive difference to how you feel and perform. Another brilliant thing about smoothies is that they are so incredibly versatile and a fantastic way to get your 5 a day in. You can chuck in loads of fruits and vegetables, and you'll barely even notice the veg. It's a great trick if you struggle to eat enough greens. Spinach, for example, has a very mild taste, so you can add a huge handful to a berry smoothie and you won't even know it's there, but your body will be getting all those lovely vitamins and minerals. You get the natural sweetness from the fruit and a massive nutrient boost from the veg. It's a win-win situation. Finally, smoothies are just so convenient. In the time it takes to boil a kettle for a cup of tea, you can have a nutritious, balanced meal ready to go. All you need is a blender. You just chuck all your ingredients in, blitz it for a minute, and you're done. You can pour it into a travel cup and drink it in the car, on the bus, or when you get to your desk. There are no excuses for skipping breakfast when it's this quick and this easy. It's the perfect solution for anyone who says they don't have time for a healthy start. Right then, let's get down to business and build the ultimate smoothie. It's all about getting the right balance of ingredients. Think of it like a formula with 4 key parts. Get these right, and you'll have a perfectly balanced, super tasty meal in a glass every single time. The first and most important part is your protein source. This is what's going to keep you full and fire up your metabolism. You can use a scoop of protein powder. Whey, casein, or a plant-based one like pea or soy are all great options. If you're not a fan of powders, no worries. A big spoonful of Greek yogurt, some cottage cheese, or even a block of silken tofu works brilliantly. Next up, we need some fruit and veg. This is where you get your vitamins, minerals, and natural sweetness from. You can't go wrong with berries like strawberries, raspberries, or blueberries. They are low in sugar and packed with antioxidants. A banana is also a classic choice because it makes the smoothie really creamy and sweet. Don't be afraid to throw in some greens. A big handful of fresh spinach or kale blends in perfectly. You get all the goodness without affecting the taste. Frozen fruit is a top tip here, as it makes your smoothie extra thick and cold without needing to add ice. The third building block is your healthy fats and fiber. This part adds another layer of flavor and texture, and it also helps to keep you feeling satisfied for even longer. A tablespoon of nut butter, like almond or peanut butter, is a brilliant way to add creaminess and healthy fats. You can also throw in a spoonful of seeds, such as chia seeds, flax seeds, or hemp seeds. They are packed with omega-3s and fiber. Another fantastic option is to add a couple of tablespoons of rolled oats. This will make your smoothie thicker and more filling, a bit like drinking a bowl of porridge. Last but not least, you need a liquid base to bring it all together and get everything moving in the blender. The amount you need will depend on how thick you like your smoothie. You can use regular milk or a dairy-free alternative like almond, soy, or oat milk. These are all great choices. For a lighter, more refreshing smoothie, you could even use coconut water or just plain water. Start with a small amount, about 200 milliliters, and you can always add a little bit more if it's too thick for your liking. It's all about experimenting to find what you love. Now that you know the building blocks, I want to share a super simple, classic recipe to get you started. This is my go-to Berry Blast smoothie. It's quick, it's delicious, and it's packed with goodness. It will keep you full all morning, guaranteed. For this, you will need 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. This gives it a lovely flavor and a massive protein hit. Then, grab a big handful of mixed frozen berries. About 80 grams is a good amount. Using frozen berries means you don't need to add any ice, and it makes the smoothie lovely and thick. Next, we're sneaking in some greens. Take a large handful of fresh spinach. I promise you, you will not taste it at all, but your body will thank you for all the extra vitamins. Then, for our healthy fats and fiber, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. These little seeds are amazing. They will soak up some of the liquid and help to make the smoothie extra thick and filling. They are also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are brilliant for your brain health. It's a small addition that makes a big nutritional difference. Now for the liquid. For this recipe, I like to use about 250 milliliters of unsweetened almond milk. It's light and has a nice subtle nutty flavor that goes really well with the berries. If you don't have almond milk, any other milk or even water will work just fine. Now here's how you put it all together. It couldn't be easier. Simply add all the ingredients into your blender. The almond milk, the protein powder, the frozen berries, the spinach, and the chia seeds. Pop the lid on nice and tight. You don't want a smoothie explosion in your kitchen. Then, just blitz it. Blend everything for about 60 seconds or until it's completely smooth and creamy. If it looks a bit too thick, just add a little splash more milk and give it another quick blend until it's the perfect consistency for you. Pour it into a glass and enjoy it straight away. See? A nutritious, delicious, and filling breakfast in under 2 minutes. Give this one a go, and then start experimenting with other ingredients. Try adding peanut butter, or maybe some mango and pineapple. The possibilities are endless. Get blending and start your day the right way.